Ultimately, the tone was authenticity was what I was looking for. But like many of us, grief and loss is not one note, and it's a very surprising it's inconsistent, incoherent. It's all sorts of things, and in my own experience, there was also a strong connection with family and friends, and often humor in that.
As much as it is a movie obviously about cancer, it's very much a movie about mental health, being completely disconnected from the world, not really knowing where your place is and not feeling anything, like the numbness and the anger that it is, and it does come out in a comedy.